Hi, everybody, and welcome back to the channel. After 45 years in the trenches of audio, from hum-filled analog consoles to today's pristine digital workflows, I've developed the sixth sense for gear that's just hype and gear that's actually built to work. The Fifine Amplitank K688 isn't just a budget mic, it's a brilliant bridge for creators who need to pivot from high-end studio production to rapid-fire content creation without blinking an eye. It's the Jekyll and Hyde of connectivity. As a creator, your environment changes by the hour. The K688 understands this better than most pro gear twice its price. The XLR is the purest playground. When I'm recording a serious voiceover tracking or a vocal where the quality is non-negotiable, I run the XLR straight into my interface. It delivers that rich, warm, broadcast grade tone that keeps your listeners engaged and provides that depth needed for professional level mixing. Then there's those days when the setup needs to happen in 5 minutes flat. The USB-C connection is a godsend. It's instant, clean, and reliable. Whether I'm live streaming a community event or capturing a quick tech review for my channel, Your New Happy Place, I can bypass the interface, plug directly into the laptop, and maintain that radio sound without the cable clutter. Now listen, I've handled enough microphones to know the difference between heavy and durable, and this one feels like it belongs on a professional stage. It has a satisfying weight, and the built-in shock mount is a massive upgrade over flimsy clip-on mounts that you usually find at this price point. Plus, the touch-sensitive mute button is the unsung hero. Its quiet, intuitive, and green-red indicator saves me from the ultimate creator nightmare, talking for 10 minutes while muted. So what's the veteran's verdict? Is it going to replace my high-end studio staples? Probably not. But for the content creator, whether you're running a podcast, a YouTube channel, managing a live stream for 200 plus events a year, it's a no-brainer. It delivers clarity, nuance, and versatility in a package that respects both your wallet and your professional reputation. So, what's the verdict? Whether you're cutting high-fidelity content or just need a reliable workhorse for your daily uploads, the K688 from Fifine is the kind of gear that lets you focus on your message rather than your signal chain. It's got enough old school soul to sound great and enough new school speed to keep you on your schedule. Once again, thanks for stopping into the channel. Let me know in the comments if you have any questions. The Fifine K688. It's pretty cool. See you next time.